Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I have more pieces from the fall 2022 release for the Happy Planner. This is their planners for 2023, the 12-month planners for 2023, the release. So you can see the preview. It'll be up on September the 6th, and then the release happens on September the 8th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are hundreds of pieces in this release, so there's a lot to check out. I have a few videos up on my channel where you can get a little bit of a preview, get some more in-depth flip throughs, and then you can just check on release day and start putting together your wish list. So in this video, I'm going to cover the Feels Like Sunshine planner and stickers. This is a new layout for the Happy Planner, so I'm excited to dig into it. If you are interested in checking that out, stay tuned. All right, let's start with this new planner. This is the stress management layout, and I'm interested, I'm gonna have to pull that goo off later. I'm interested to see what this looks like, how it's gonna function. Like I said, it's a new layout for the Happy Planner. Choose where your energy goes. You have gold metal discs. Those are metal. I think those are metal. I keep thinking they might be plastic, but now I'm like super not sure. Those are metal for sure. Okay, choose where your energy goes. Love the coloring. It's okay. Let's see what the beautiful, and then the back is going to be just black. So pretty and striking. Love it. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So it says, welcome to your Happy Planner, the stress management layout. And then we have this Happy Planner Stress Management Edition belongs to beautiful colors. Look the year ahead and the year at a glance for planning ahead. Love the color blocks in here, color strip down the middle. Okay, so this is a different look. So for our currently page, what we have are exercises and habits. So to support you in your daily routine, try to implement the following exercises and habits this month. Utilize the daily habit trackers each week to help keep yourself on track. So it's giving you kind of a focus for that month. Then you have priorities. By de-stressing, what 2 major tasks or projects will you be able to complete more efficiently? And then progress check-in, it says to prioritize and encourage your success, log your progress throughout the month. Write down what worked well for you or what needs work as you move forward. So you're kind of giving yourself some check-ins. It says always believe you can. Here is our January divider. Do what makes you happy. So pretty. Love that. And then we have January 2023. Again, the color down the middle, color here, color at the top. And now we get into the weekly layout. So this is how it's pretty different. So it says, keep up with these habits and track your consistency. So these are the ones we're focusing on for the month of January: breathing and mindfulness. So you have your checking off daily habits. Then you have kind of a task list. Maybe these are things that you're focusing on during the week: reading, movement, something like that. And then room at the bottom. So I feel like you could focus this in some different areas. You could have your schedule. You could keep track of schedule, tasks right here. And this could be your regular planner. This could easily turn into a journaling planner because you have a lot of room, a lot of freedom down here. You're keeping track of some self-care things up there. I think there's a lot of fun and creative ways you could use this. It does have color for sure throughout, and I'm liking it. Okay, so that's that. I'm interested to see how some people use this. I'm kind of excited to use this as a possible kind of wellness journal or wellness planner. We'll see how it goes as we start kind of identifying the 2023 lineup. For February, we're doing appreciation and care and reframing. It says it's okay to do what's best for you. You deserve peace. Let's look at the month of March. We're looking at journaling and exercise. Breathe in positivity and out negativity. I love, these are super bold for the dividers, and I'm loving it. It's kind of the same. April, we're looking at acknowledge success and set goals. Always believe you can. You are truly amazing. That's April. For May, Repeat affirmations and visualizations. It's okay to be less than perfect. Just do your best. Rest and sleep. Find the joy. Choose where your energy goes. Breathing and mindfulness. Embrace what today will bring. Appreciation and care. Reframing. Be gentle with yourself. You are doing the best you can. Journal and exercise again. Balance over hustle. Yes. Acknowledge success. Set goals. Trust your heart. Repeat affirmations, visualization, and then we have give yourself a high five. And for December, rest and sleep. Find the joy. It's okay to make mistakes. Just grow from them. And then at the back, it says pause. Jot down a kind reminder to yourself. Feels like sunshine. Plan a happy life. So that is the Feels Like Sunshine stress management layout. I like it. And then I think this sticker book is really going to pair perfectly with it. So here's the Feels Like Sunshine sticker book. Starts out with vertical boxes. We have 5-minute exercise, 90-second exercise right here. So kind of matches up with some of the prompts in that planner. More vertical boxes. Breathe, you are doing great. Become the change. Everything in its time. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. Yes, ma'am, that is correct. Love all these vertical. These are beautiful. Love that. Oh, these are a fun shape. This is kind of like for monthlies because you have that notch cut out, but a different shape to it. But of course, you can use it wherever. In some skinny washi. That is pretty skinny. I like it. Now with foil, again, dig in the skinny washi. Believe in yourself. She believed she could, so she did. Be true to you. Don't expect to see a change if you don't make one. Those are really nice. You can see how these match super well. Just the color schemes, obviously, but the prompts are going to go really well. It's okay to do what's best for you. It's okay to be less than perfect. It's okay to make some mistakes. It's okay to take a much needed break. It's okay to do what's best for you. Love that. All right, check in. These are check-ins about your stress and how you are feeling. Perfect for the journaling. More check-ins, and you have your 90-second exercise, 5-minute exercise, check-ins, but with foil this time. And it even has this little scale. You can kind of write where you are on that scale. Now we have the focus. Focus on breathing, how it feels. Focusing on gratitude. Focus on compassion. Focus on journaling. I like how it has you looking at how it feels before and how you feel after. Focus on planning. Focus on affirmation. Focus on confidence. Focus on sleep and rest. Focus on movement. Focus on positivity. You have some skinny washi right here. This is on clear sticker paper. And some more kind of cool skinny washi. It looks kind of trippy all together, but I think it'd be really pretty in the planner. I like that. Rest day, lazy day, reflect. Your mindset matters. Some mood trackers right here. Kind of documenting. Focus on your goal. Don't look in any direction but ahead. Feels like sunshine. Go where you feel the most alive. Those are beautiful. These are all gorgeous. Foil. Just breathe. Lots of rainbows. Look at the rainbows. A whole page of rainbows. Oh my goodness, you guys. Also, it's clear. I don't know like how to show y'all. It's clear. It's on clear sticker paper, so it's clear behind the rainbow. I love that. I need to save all those rainbows. They're so pretty. And more of it's okay. All right, so that is the stress management layout from the Happy Planner, new for 2023. It's part of the fall release. Again, that happens on Thursday, September the 8th. I'll have all the info, including the coupon codes, down in the description box below. Let me know what you think of the stress management layout. How would you use it? Do you think you would be able to use it as like your journal, your wellness? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you all have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.